Hey there guys, making a video here about cars, trucks, and those luxury cars. I want to explain something to you guys, that sometimes cars is good, but sometimes it could be bad. Some people owe a lot of money from the banks because they bought a new truck, they bought a new luxury cars, from $600 to $700, close to $1,000 each month. And that would be maybe 4 years, 5 years, 7 years contract that you have to pay. So that is a lot of money, guys. So a lot of people, guys, especially here in United States, get in trouble because of the loan, the car loan that they borrowed from the banks is just way high than their income. Sometimes some people, guys, they make 80,000 a year, but they owe a car, I would say $60,000, a truck or a luxury car like European cars. And that, my friend, that's how people get in trouble. Eventually they have too much debts from their mortgages, property taxes, credit cards, car payments, car insurance, house insurance, food, clothings. These are the cause and effects why people get in trouble. Because a lot of people, guys, they get hooked borrowing money from banks, and that's how they get in trouble. And the other thing, guys, is school loans. It's not, you cannot file a bankruptcy for school loans. School loans is not bankrupt deductible. It's not. The banks don't allow school loans to be bankrupt. If you file a bankruptcy for school loans, it's not bankruptcy. You cannot file school loans for bankruptcy. That's the other thing, guys. And a lot of people get in trouble because of that. They owe $100,000, $200,000, $500,000, $600,000, $800,000 to $1 million. If you watch Dave Ramsey, you will see there. Type in YouTube Dave Ramsey. You will see a lot of people get in trouble because of school loans, because they borrowed thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of money to become somebody, and they get in trouble. But eventually, I guess, they will get the license, but they owe $300,000, $400,000, $600,000 that they have to pay. And like I said, guys, the panic modes attacks people when they owe a lot of money from banks. When the banks asking for $5,000 because you owe them $500,000, $600,000 to close to $1 million, then I saw a video. This bank is asking for $10,000 in 1 month, guys, including the interest that the bank charges those people, you know, from the big amount of money that they borrowed from the banks. And that is why a lot of people get in trouble. You know, a lot of people get into debts. And back to what I'm talking about, guys. Cars. If you're making $200,000 or more, and your significant others making another 100,000, then there is no problem, I guess. I would say you can buy a new 40, 50, 60,000 truck or cars or European cars because you guys can afford it. But for the people that the average, you know, how much they make a year, and they buy $40,000-$50,000 truck or cars, sometimes it could get you in trouble. So you have to be really smart nowadays, because it's not 30 years ago, it's almost 2022, guys, and the cost of living today is getting higher and higher and higher in United States or in other countries, especially when the COVID, you know, messed up the world. A lot of businesses are closed, they're not making money. And now that they open all these businesses, they charge more because they wanna fetch again all those money that they, you know, they've been spending to the people. In the United States, guys, the government spend billions of money for the people, you know, for the stimulus. So they have to get those money back. Either they could raise the property tax, they could raise the price of, you know, the economy, the gas. They would do something to get money from the people, because that's how the government works in the United States. I don't know about in other countries. I don't know about in Europe. I don't know about in Japan. I don't know about in China. I don't know about in Thailand, Philippines, Malaysia, Korea. I don't know. But in United States, money talks, bullshit walks. And a lot of people, guys, get into debts because they borrowed a lot of money, and they really get in trouble, guys, and they ended up filing bankruptcy. So nowadays, guys, you really have to be smart. You have to be frugal. You have to be economic how you spend your money, because it's not easy to get. It takes time to make money, to save money, but it's easy to spend money. So nowadays, guys, be smart with your money, be frugal. You know, I mean, to me, I like good stuff. I like brand new stuff, but I don't like debts. I don't like owing banks. I don't like people bothering me, calling me, you know, because they want business from me. They want money from me. I don't like that stuff. So back to what I'm saying, who doesn't want a brand new car? But if you're dealing with a lot of stress because the car is very expensive, and if you lose your job, you out of job, you got laid off, it's a problem, guys, you know. So today, guys, you have to be really smart, you know. Like me, my car's paid off already. I do not want to deal with banks anymore. I do not want to borrow money anymore to finance a car anymore. I will wait until this car died, and then I will buy another used car. I'll pay it cash, and I don't have a monthly payment, and then I save that money each month, guys. If you save money, guys, think about it. If you save money each month, $300, $400, you do that in 5 years, you save those money, guys, and that would be a lot of money. You will see, you know. So people financing cars, guys, sometimes they don't realize that, you know, but sometimes they realize it when it's too late. Some of the cars, guys, when you buy it, maybe it takes, you can return it in 30 days or maybe in 2 months, I don't know, but more than 5 months or 6 months, I don't think it's returnable. I'm not sure, but if it's not returnable, that would be suck, because you're stuck. Yeah, you were stuck to that 5-year contract. If you're paying $800 a month for the truck or European car, man, that's a long time in 5 years, you know. So I'm just being smart. I learned a lot of things from other people in YouTube, making videos about being frugal, being smart. I learned from Dave Ramsey a lot, and I'm following his, you know, footsteps, how to have a good life, to have a simple life, but you have a peaceful mind, you know, you have a relaxation, you can enjoy life, and you have money in your pocket. So using these cars, guys, a lot of people, guys, these cars are financed. They finance those cars. For some people, guys, they can afford it. For some people, they tried. For some people, they live paycheck to paycheck. For some people, they get in trouble with those cars because they have a high rate, they have a high APR in their credit score, and the banks will give you a high rate if your credit is not that great. That's how people get in trouble. In other words, they get more money from you, they give you a high interest, but some people, they don't think, because they just want a brand new car, a nice car, to impress their friends or other people. Then later on they regret, 2 years, 3 years, you know, why did I bought this car? I'm getting tired of paying $400, $500 a month, you know. Then they get in trouble with their jobs. So it's pretty scary. So I learned that from other people in YouTube, guys. So this is another video, guys, about being frugal, being smart, being wise, how to handle your financial. So hopefully a lot of people out there that, you know, they have problems with their monthly financial, hopefully they will get over it, and hopefully they'll learn their lesson, you know, borrowing money from banks. Hopefully they will learn how to be frugal, how to save their money, to be wise, you know, not to be a materialistic person. Just live a normal, be contented, be content of what you have, and that would help you a lot. I learned that from Dave Ramsey, guys, and hopefully, guys, it's your turn to learn those good things so you can enjoy life and help other people, your families, your friends, if they needed some money, because you have it. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace out. Ciao, ciao.